Ever wondered if a simple ice cube could totally transform your skin? Well, get ready, because today we're diving into the icy secret behind smooth, glowing skin, smaller pores, and an instant depuff. From tackling acne to prepping for flawless makeup, we're covering all the reasons you need to try skin icing. So, grab an ice cube, get comfy, and let's chill. Let's jump into the 10 amazing benefits of icing your skin and how you can use it to level up your skincare routine. Let's start with one of the most popular reasons people turn to icing: its ability to reduce puffiness, especially around the eyes. When we sleep, especially if we sleep on our face or have consumed a lot of salt, fluids can accumulate under the skin, leading to that puffy face look. Icing works by causing vasoconstriction, which is a fancy term for making blood vessels tighten. This reduction in blood flow helps to push excess fluid out of these areas, making them look less puffy. Try iced cucumber slices over the eyes. Cucumbers are known for their high water content and cooling effect, which enhances the depuffing benefits even more. After icing, you'll notice a tighter, more awake appearance around your eyes. What's more, acne is a struggle for many of us, and let's be real, red, inflamed pimples can make anyone feel self-conscious. Here's where icing shines. It reduces the inflammation that makes acne appear red and swollen. When you ice a pimple, it numbs the area, reduces the blood flow, and helps decrease that irritated look. It won't clear the pimple immediately, but it will certainly make it less noticeable. For maximum effect, combine icing with a salicylic acid treatment. Salicylic acid penetrates the pores and helps clear them, so the two work in tandem to calm inflammation and heal the skin faster. Next up, if large pores are something you struggle with, icing is an amazing temporary fix. When you ice your skin, the cold temperatures constrict the pores, which makes them look smaller and tighter. This effect is temporary, but with regular use, it can prevent your pores from getting clogged by debris, oil, or makeup. Why does this matter? Smaller-looking pores make your skin look smoother and more polished, plus it reduces the risk of breakouts since less dirt and oil get in. After icing, you'll have a fresh base that's less prone to blackheads and congestion. Try icing in the morning before makeup application. This temporary pore tightening effect helps makeup stay on longer and gives your skin a smoother texture. Moreover, one of the lesser-known benefits of icing is that it can act as a primer. When your skin is smooth and slightly tight, makeup applies more evenly and lasts longer. Icing helps reduce oil production temporarily, which means you won't be as shiny throughout the day. It's the perfect prep for special occasions or events where you want your makeup to last all day. If you have an ice roller, use it for a minute or two before applying foundation or primer. This step not only preps your skin but can feel super refreshing, especially if you've had a long day or a rough morning. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. This is one of the coolest science-backed benefits. When you apply ice to your face, the blood vessels constrict, but when you remove the ice, there's a rebound effect where blood rushes to the area, bringing with it oxygen and nutrients. This boost in circulation gives your skin a natural glow. It's like getting a quick boost of energy for your skin cells, helping to wake up dull or tired-looking skin. Ice your face in the morning for that natural lit from within glow. A minute or two of gentle icing will get your circulation going, giving you that bright and healthy look for the day. But wait, there is more. For those with oily skin, icing can help regulate excess oil production. By cooling the skin, ice reduces the activity of the oil glands, which means less shine throughout the day. While this effect is temporary, it's great for days when you need to control that extra shine or when you want a more matte look. Make a habit of icing for a minute or two before your skincare routine in the morning. This helps your skin absorb products more evenly and reduces shine. Target areas prone to oiliness, like the forehead, nose, and chin, with a short icing session in the morning. Repeat again in the afternoon if you notice shine coming through. For an added oil-controlling effect, try icing your face after applying a mattifying primer. The cold will help the primer set and stay effective longer, reducing the need for midday touch-ups. Additionally, if you're into anti-aging, you're going to love this benefit. Icing promotes blood circulation, which encourages skin renewal. Over time, this can help improve skin elasticity and texture. By enhancing circulation regularly, you can help your skin cells renew faster, which gives your skin a youthful appearance. Plus, icing temporarily tightens the skin, making fine lines and wrinkles look less pronounced. Focus on areas where you notice fine lines, around the mouth, eyes, and forehead. Hold the ice in place for a few seconds, then move it in small circular motions. For an extra anti-aging boost, mix vitamin C or a few drops of retinol serum into water, freeze it, and use these cubes on your skin. The added ingredients will help with collagen production, giving you an added anti-aging benefit. Sunburns are painful and damaging, but icing can help alleviate the discomfort. By reducing inflammation, it numbs the area, providing much-needed relief from pain. Cold helps reduce redness and calm the area, and it's an effective way to start the healing process. Be very gentle with sunburned skin, as it's highly sensitive. Wrap the ice in a very soft, thin cloth and press it lightly on affected areas. You can use an ice pack instead, which is often easier to apply on larger areas. Freeze aloe vera juice instead of water. Aloe vera has natural soothing properties that are great for sunburns, and applying it in a cold form will feel even more refreshing. And finally, treatments like waxing, threading, or chemical peels can leave skin red, sensitive, or irritated. Icing is a gentle way to reduce this inflammation and help your skin recover faster. The cooling effect calms down redness and relieves any stinging sensation. Right after treatment, gently ice the affected areas. Focus on areas that feel particularly tender or look redder than usual. Just a couple of minutes of gentle icing can do wonders. Lastly, one of the best parts about icing is how accessible it is. You don't need fancy products, tools, or treatments. All you need is an ice cube or an ice roller. Icing is suitable for almost every skin type and is free to try. Plus, it's easy to do at home, making it one of the most convenient skincare hacks. Experiment with different types of ice, from plain water to infused ice cubes, depending on your skin's needs. As you start to notice what your skin responds to, you can personalize your icing routine and create a mini spa experience. Use a dedicated ice tray for skincare and mix ingredients that suit your skin's needs. For example, green tea for acne, rose water for hydration, or chamomile tea for soothing irritation. Customize each ice cube and watch your skincare game transform. And that's it. Now you have a complete guide on why icing is so great for your skin and how to make the most out of it. It's one of the easiest ways to boost your skincare routine and see visible results without spending a dime. Give it a shot and see the magic for yourself. Let us know how it works for you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.